welcome back to another episode of Approved to Move. I'm Chelsea, your realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty.
I'm Brittany, your lender with Homestar Financial.
Today we are in Ocala, Florida, in southeast side of town. This is a big house. You are not going to want to miss it. As soon as you walk in the front door, you are in the dining area. We really like how it is separated from the other part of the house. It kind of gives you its own space. Really see myself having family dinners here.
Yeah, it fits a nice large table, so if you have multiple people in your family, and just wait till you see the rest of the house for entertaining. It's a very spacious home.
Yeah. So here we are in the living room. You'll see that you got two entrances into the living space.
Yes.
I love that it's still open, but yet it's got its own wall that separates the dining area, but it's still close, so you can just bring all your food right from the kitchen to the dining room.
Yeah. Like I said, lots of room for entertainment. The living room is huge. Everything is open so that you can literally entertain and walk through and mingle. Nothing's actually closed off, so it's a really nice feature to this home. Look at this beautiful kitchen. I love this granite countertop, the speckles. It pulls in all these colors so nicely.
Yes, I like the way they did the light counters with the light backsplash. And this is real tile backsplash. It's not that peel and stick stuff that's cheap. It's really nice. Big, nice, sunken in sink.
Yes, I love that sink.
New stainless steel appliances. I like how you can see the refrigerator temperature and digital stuff on here. You have the laundry room through here, which also has a separate door that takes you outside. Great size kitchen.
Note the wooden blind. Those are amazing.
Plantation shutters.
Yes, I love these. Super unique and a really cool touch to this home.
Here we are in the den. This would be a great office space, a playroom. I mean, you could have a lot of options for this area. I really like it. You got the double doors that lead out to here with the exterior door. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. 1,688 square feet on 0.40 of an acre. That's one of the biggest lots in this neighborhood. There's no HOA. It's on public water and public sewer, so you don't have to worry about getting a well test or anything like that.
Yes.
We are very close to everything in town. This is South EastOcala, so you know that we are close to everything. Minutes from downtown, but yet minutes to the mall. Everything is close.
It's a great location. So this home is going for $314,900. The seller is offering a home warranty with this home with a full price offer. Financing, we can finance this home conventional, FHA, and VA.
So we're in the guest bathroom. I really like this sink. The bowl is very trendy. They've got the tile countertops, new toilet. This is a cute bathroom.
Welcome into the guest bedroom. I want you to come over here and check out this. This is the remote to the fan and light in here. It's super, super cool because you can use your remote to do the settings on the light and fan. Over here, they have USB outlets on the outlets, which is really cool because how many times do you forget that block on your charger and you need to charge your phone? Well, you have the USB outlet right there. Beautiful vinyl plank flooring, very nice size spare bedrooms. I am loving all this tile in the hallway. It's clean, it's light and bright. You have this closet. Look at the space in this closet, multiple shelves, so tons of closet space. Come on into the next spare bedroom. This room, same as the last one, has the vinyl plank flooring, your remote controlled fan and light, and it's a very nice size with nice size windows and a closet. Perfect for your teenage daughter or son or a nursery.
Welcome to the primary room. Really love that you have the other guest bedroom right across the hall. So if you're starting a family and you don't want to co-sleep, you could have the baby right across the hall, or it would be a great guest room.
Welcome to the primary bathroom. Light, bright, and airy. Plenty of space. You have your bathtub and your shower combo. Nice white sink. You can keep everything clean. I really like it. It's a good size.
Tile looks great in here.
It does. Look at this. We can both stand up in here, even under the shelf. It's a nice, deep, long closet, right?
It is, definitely.
Yeah, fit lots of stuff.
Great size backyard.
It's huge. Absolutely huge. In-ground pool. Totally could fit that.
Absolutely.
Big patio.
It does have a big patio. This home has gutters. I do like how they added the vinyl privacy part here so you can have a little bit of privacy feeling. It is fully fenced in though.
Yeah. Fully fenced. So great size lot for this neighborhood, like you said at the beginning. This is a nice size lot.
Laundry room is also really nice. Doggy door. Not going through that one again in this video though. I like how it's got the thing. You can hang your clothes on it. See you in the next video coming soon. Washer, dryer, water heater, HVAC, electric box.